But guys, security is everything. Imagine putting all your money in a piggy bank, but the piggy bank is made of glass. Not very secure, right? We want a Fort Knox for our crypto, and that's where crypto wallets come in. So, AJ him discuss Karang hardware wallets and software wallets KE Barmain, and help you figure out which one is your perfect match. Let's jump right in. Okay, so before we dive into the hardware versus software battle, let's understand the basics. What even is a crypto wallet? It's a question that might seem simple but has layers to it. In simple words, it's like your regular wallet, but instead of cash, it holds your digital gold, your cryptocurrency. Just like you wouldn't leave your cash lying around, you need a secure place for your digital assets. Think of it as your digital keychain. You wouldn't just leave your house keys lying around, right? Similarly, you need to keep your digital keys safe. Same goes for your crypto. A crypto wallet keeps your private keys safe and sound. These keys are crucial because they grant you access to your digital treasure. These private keys are like your secret codes to access and manage your crypto. Without them, your crypto is as good as gone. It's like losing the keys to a treasure chest. Now, there are two main types of wallets: hardware wallets and software wallets. Each has its own unique features and levels of security. Imagine hardware wallets as your super secure vault in a bank, while software wallets are more like the digital banking app on your phone. Both serve the purpose, but in different ways. Both have their own pros and cons, just like choosing between ordering food online or going out to eat. It's all about what suits your needs and lifestyle. Don't worry, I'll break it down for you. We'll explore each type in detail. We'll go deep into each type, explore their advantages and disadvantages. And by the end of this video, you'll be a pro at choosing the right wallet for your crypto needs. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced user, there's something for everyone. Stay tuned. It's going to be interesting. Let's get started on this journey to secure your digital assets. All right, guys, let's talk about the heavy hitters first. Hardware wallets. These devices are the gold standard when it comes to securing your cryptocurrency. These are the Fort Knox of the crypto world. Just like a heavily guarded vault, they offer top-notch security. Imagine a small device, kind of like a fancy pen drive, that stores your private keys offline. This means your keys are not connected to the internet, reducing the risk of online threats. That's your hardware wallet in a nutshell. It's compact, portable, and incredibly secure. Some popular examples are the Ledger Nano X and the Trezor Model T. They look sleek, right? These devices are designed to be user-friendly while offering robust security features. Now, why are these considered super secure? It's because they use advanced encryption techniques to protect your private keys. Well, because they are offline. This means they are not susceptible to online hacking attempts, which are a common threat in the digital world. Your keys are never exposed to the internet, making it virtually impossible for hackers to get their hands on them. This offline nature is what makes hardware wallets so secure. It's like keeping your diamonds locked in a safe that's buried underground. The level of security is unparalleled. Good luck to any thief trying to get to that. The security measures in place are designed to thwart even the most determined attackers. Hardware wallets are perfect for hodlers, those who believe in the long-term potential of crypto and want to store their precious coins safely for the long haul. They offer a peace of mind that is hard to match. They provide the ultimate peace of mind. Knowing that your assets are secure allows you to focus on other aspects of your investment strategy. But there's a slight catch. These devices come with a price tag. They can be a bit pricey, ranging from around 5,000 to 15,000 rupees. However, considering the security they offer, many find it a worthwhile investment. Think of it as an investment in your crypto security. The peace of mind and protection it offers can be invaluable. Also, they might seem a tad bit complicated to use initially, especially for beginners. The setup process can be a bit daunting at first, but trust me, once you get the hang of it, it's a breeze. The user interfaces are designed to be intuitive, and there are plenty of resources available to help you along the way. So, if you're serious about crypto security and plan on holding your investments for a while, hardware wallets are your best bet. They offer a level of security and peace of mind that is unmatched in the crypto world. Now let's move on to the more casual everyday option, software wallets. These are like the digital wallets we use for online payments, but for crypto. They come in the form of apps that you can easily download on your smartphones or computers. Think MetaMask, Trust Wallet, Coinbase Wallet. You've probably heard of these names. The best part about software wallets? They are super convenient. Need to make a quick transaction? Just open the app and you're good to go. They are also user-friendly, especially for beginners who are just starting their crypto journey. Plus, most of them are free or available at a very low cost. Talk about a good deal. But there's a trade-off, guys. Because they are connected to the internet, they become slightly more vulnerable to hacking and malware attacks. It's like carrying your cash in your pocket. Convenient, but there's always a slight risk involved. So, if you're someone who's actively trading crypto or needs to make frequent transactions, software wallets are your go-to. Just make sure to download them from trusted sources and keep your phone or computer secure. Okay, guys, I know all this information can be a bit overwhelming. With so many options and technical jargon, it's easy to feel lost. So, to make things super clear, let's do a quick comparison of hardware and software wallets. We'll break it down step by step. Imagine this: two wrestlers in the ring ready to rumble. It's a battle of the titans, each with their own unique strengths and weaknesses. In the red corner, we have the heavyweight champion of security, hardware wallets. These devices are built like fortresses. They are offline, making them extremely secure against hacking attempts. No internet connection means no remote access for hackers. They are like that one friend who always has your back no matter what. Reliable and steadfast, they offer peace of mind. But they can be a bit expensive and might require a bit of a learning curve. You need to invest time and money to get the most out of them. And in the blue corner, we have the lightweight champion of convenience, software wallets. These are the go-to for many users. They are easy to use, perfect for everyday transactions, and won't burn a hole in your pocket. Just download an app and you're good to go. They are like that friend who's always up for a spontaneous adventure. Ready to go at a moment's notice, they offer flexibility. But remember, they are slightly more vulnerable to security risks. Being online means they can be targeted by cybercriminals. So, who wins the ultimate showdown? It's a tough call because both have their own merits. Well, it all depends on your individual needs and preferences. What works for one person might not work for another. Think of it like choosing between a sturdy, reliable car for long journeys and a zippy, fuel-efficient car for city driving. Each has its own ideal use case. Both have their own strengths. Hardware wallets offer unparalleled security, while software wallets provide unmatched convenience. If you're a long-term investor who prioritizes security above everything else, hardware wallets are your best bet. They keep your assets safe for the long haul. But if you're a frequent trader who values convenience and ease of use, software wallets will be your perfect companion. Quick and easy access is their forte. Ultimately, the choice is yours, my friend. It's all about what fits your lifestyle and needs. Just remember to weigh the pros and cons carefully and choose the wallet that aligns best with your crypto goals. Make an informed decision and you'll be set. So guys, that's the lowdown on hardware and software wallets. Hopefully this video has armed you with all the knowledge you need to make an informed decision about which wallet is right for you. Remember, choosing the right wallet is the first step towards securing your crypto future. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up, share it with your friends who are just as confused about crypto wallets as we were, and subscribe to Profit Pulse for more awesome content. Until next time, stay informed, stay safe, and keep those crypto investments secure. Dhanyawad.